So hello everyone, welcome to another interesting video. So it is the fourth day of the challenge where I turned off my phone, and today has been great, but I have had these feelings like it is that anticipation of when I am going to turn my phone back on. So that is some of those anticipations I've been having today. Like as soon as I woke up and the alarm rang in my other phone, I woke up, came to my living room and saw the phone, and I was like, as soon as I wake up, if this kind of thought comes into my head, my whole day is gone. So it luckily didn't happen like that today. So I saw my phone and thought, when am I going to switch this on? That's going to be a great day. Well, that was kind of bit disappointing for me because, like if you don't have your both of your phones, and most of you who are watching, if you have two phones and if you turned one off and it is your primary phone, you can relate lot to me. So anyway, today has been great. I just got 3 new subscribers. So thank you so much, new subscribers, and thank you current ones. Welcome to the channel. You can expect great aviation content on this channel, but I have decided to do a challenge for 7 days to get to turn my phone off. So follow me on my journey, and I'm going to read the subscribers comment now. Okay, on my YouTube channel homepage, and time to read them videos. So my 7 day challenge day 2 is the most popular one of these 7 days because it got 77 views with over 6 likes, and but the third day is great because although it did not get that much views, but they have still got a great comment. So now, yeah. Okay, so I want to tell it to you, the subscribers who are watching right now, brand new ones. I'm sorry I cannot tell your names because it's due to privacy reasons and stuff, and only if I have your permission, I can tell your names on YouTube. So if the comment section is enabled like yesterday, so you can comment, I give you my permission to tell my name. So I'm gonna gladly tell your name out as subscriber and proudly as your content creator. So now time to read them. I'm gonna read them as subscriber 1 and 2. So there are 3 comments, and 2 are from one subscriber and another one is from another one. So now subscriber 1, gonna start my journey, and that was 22 hours ago. So I've given a heart and we've also given a reply. It will be easy for you, I believe in you, with a like emoji. And another one, subscriber 2, says let's go. There have been 2 likes for it and 1 reply from me with a heart, and I've given yay, let's go. Okay, now next, this is from the same first subscriber who I told. So this one is kind of great. So that I have also checked his page out, and he has 16 subscribers, and it says, keep going buddy, I'll follow your journey. I'm 23 years old and you have inspired me. Thank you so much. So I've given it a heart and 1 reply. Thanks for sharing it. It means a lot to me, with a heart. So anyway, so today is day 4, and I've read the subscribers comment, and if the brand new ones are watching right now, especially who have read the comments, thank you so much. Hope you felt happy. So now back to it. So what all I've been doing on this 4th day to get my mind off of things. Well, the first thing is that yesterday I bought a brand new kit, which I'm gonna show it to you in a minute. But I also got new fishes today from the pet store, so I'm gonna show it to you now. This has really been great because the fishes are so cute, and you can see here there are actually 5 of them, 2 silver, 2 orange, and 1 black one. There you can see 2 silver fish and the black one right there, and 2 orange. I've also filled a new fish bowl with pebbles and water, obviously. And I've also made an investment to the fish bowl, and I bought a light which I turn on every day. And I've also have some fish food here, as you can see. So these fishes have really been calming my nerves down during the 7 days, because looking at them I forget that the fact that my phone is just turned off. And by the way, now coming to the kit which I told you about. Yesterday I bought it as an token of achievement to my recent success. I'm going to talk more about the success later. So it's a really easy kit. Like, it is just a two piece kit. Like, one, it's obviously from space, because I love space, and I've also done some videos in the past of space, like how did 747 400 launch a rocket, and how did 747 SP carry space shuttle into from the landing site back to the launch site. So I've done quite a lot of these space videos, and I've also done the space kit. I just unboxed it today and I've done it. It comes with the launch vehicle and the satellite, the orbiter satellite. So I'm going to show it to you now. It's really great. So I'm going to just set my phone down and show it to you. And by the way, if you're wondering in which phone I'm filming right now, I'm filming in mine. One which I was charging yesterday, I was doing it in my uncle's phone, but today I'm doing it in my own. And you can see this is the same phone which I have turned off, and to show you proof I'm not cheating, not turning on. Keep it aside. Back to my space thing. Okay. So this is one of the set from the Mangalyaan mission, which was actually launched in Mars, which was actually launched to Mars by India. It was named Mangalyaan mission. So it was detailed to study about the Mars weather, analysis on the soil surface, and to do even testing from the surface and from the orbiter. So now this is a two-piece the kit which comes with the launch vehicle, the satellite. The launch vehicle is the PSLV, or also known as Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle. So I've always wanted to have a model of this, and yesterday my wish came true. And the Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle is called a workhorse of ISRO because it is the most widely used rocket in Indian space history. Now coming to the orbiter. So this is the orbiter, and it has solar panels here, as you can see, and this is the circle one, which gathers information, and this is where all the critical thinking happens. Like, all the signal will be relayed from this part, the cube part you can see here. Setting this down. Okay, so now, and there have also been some things which I've been doing without showing it on camera, like as you saw it, the puzzle building like yesterday and the kit building today. Cycling I've shown yesterday only, like it was still wet at that time. I did it in my parking lot. Well, luckily today the roads were very dry, so I went on the street and cycled, no problem with that. But I've also, and I've told you, I've been moving to my new house, but there's one master bedroom which is my bedroom, obviously. So I've been planning the layout of the bedroom, where I should keep my things, where should I keep the bed, and also it's great work which also helped me get my mind off of things. Like, planning my bedroom is great because I can already plan in advance, and when I move into the new house, I can do it picture perfect, no problem. So that's it on day 4, looking great, and it's obviously 9:15 in India. So in about less than 3 hours it will be midnight, so that means obviously the start of day 5, which will be tomorrow. I'll be next one will be tomorrow. So I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much, and always don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you so much, current subscribers, viewers, and welcome to the new ones on the channel. I'm sorry, welcome new ones to the channel. So thank you so much. Have a nice day as always, and bye bye.